In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and George Headley won and decided to send St. Hugh's Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with St. Hugh's Bible knowledge. Hophni and Phineas were sons of which priest?
Elijah.
Incorrect. Eli. George Headley, Bible knowledge. Levi and Judah were sons of which woman in the Bible?
Rachel.
Incorrect. Leah. Local affairs or visual question. St. Hugh's, look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Brown.
Incorrect. Donovan White, Director of Tourism. Local affairs or visual question. George Headley, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Alan Shearer.
Incorrect. Adam Stewart, Chairman of the Sandals Group. Science. St. Hugh's, which of the following does not manufacture digestive juices? Is it the kidneys, stomach, liver, or pancreas?
Kidneys.
Correct. Science. George Headley. Our throat divides into 2 separate tubes, the windpipe and the gullet. What prevents food from entering the windpipe?
The bolus.
Incorrect. Epiglottis. Theatre and cinema, visual question. St. Hugh's, look at the monitor and identify this local actor.
IT.
Incorrect. Christopher Johnny Daly. Theatre and cinema, visual question for you, George Headley. Look at the monitor and identify this local actress.
Delia Harris.
Incorrect. Karen Harriet. English language. St. Hugh's, please identify the subject in the sentence. Most of the students in the class enjoy math.
Students.
Incorrect. Most of the students in the class. English language. George Headley, please identify the predicate in this sentence. The woman and her husband are happy.
Are happy.
Correct. Sports or visual question. St. Hugh's, look at the monitor and identify this person.
LeBron James.
Incorrect. Patrick Ewing, former NBA star. George Headley, sports or visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jason Tatum.
Incorrect. Larry Bird, former NBA star. General knowledge. St. Hugh's, which U.S. state is referred to as the Peach State?
Georgia.
Correct. George Headley, general knowledge, which U.S. state is referred to as the Empire State?
New York.
Correct. Social studies. St. Hugh's, in which city in Italy was Christopher Columbus born?
Rome.
Incorrect. Genoa. Social studies. George Headley, under which country's flag did Christopher Columbus come to the Americas?
Spain.
Correct. St. Hugh's. Music. What is the stage name of the American singer born Stevland Hardaway Morris?
IT.
Incorrect. Stevie Wonder. George Headley. Music. What is the stage name for the American artist born Sean Corey Carter?
Jay-Z.
Correct. Mathematics. St. Hugh's. What is 12% of 250?
The answer is
Your time has passed. Would you like to try, George Headley?
no, thank you.
30. Mathematics. George Headley. What is 18% of 450? Incorrect. 81. Jamaican affairs. We don't have time for that or any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are George Headley primary on 4 and St. Hugh's Prep on 2. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Don't be afraid to speak up. Answering your teacher's questions will help you retain what you are learning and to identify areas you need to spend more time on. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.